Hey folks, Phoenix here from GreenZone. We done the amazing trade in GBPCHF. We plan this trade as a scalping trade. Let me explain you how it's turned to the scalping to swing trade, okay? And it's very fun and it's easy to understand each and every steps that we done for this trade, okay? Stay till the end. I'm making a short video. It's not going to be the lengthy video, okay? Let's start the video from here. So if you are doing a swing trades, your higher time frame is going to be like a weekly time frame and the daily time frame. Your medium time frame is going to be 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frames, and your smaller time frame is going to be like a 50 minutes time frame and 30 minutes time frame, okay? At the same time, if you're doing the day trading and the scalping, your time frame is going to changes, okay? So in 4 hour time frames, we can easily see this. You can come from here, okay? I'm coming from here in 4 hour time frames. After breaking this MSS, okay? Say this. After breaking this, what is MSS? The market structure shift, okay? Simple as that. It's create the new low, 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 high, and the low, low from here, okay? Right now, we can see the 4 hour time frame till now, okay? Till this, it's a bearish, okay? It's moving in a downside, but the daily time frame, it's in bullish. So we must need to wait for a reversal in smaller time frame, so medium time frame. So we will get the higher time frame and the medium time frame is going to be continued to the bullish trend, okay? The uptrend. And for our time frame, turn to bullish from here after breaking this last high, okay? There is something happen, okay? It comes to the demand zone, it's took the liquidity, each and everything. I'm not deep dive about these all the things, okay? I'm just focusing on our trade setups analysis. That's it, okay? If you're a prime trader, you will definitely get the each and everything in our live sessions. You will get the question answer sessions, each and everything. So I'm not to jump into that. We can discuss that later in this video. So it's in 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it's turned to bullish from here. So we got that the daily time frame, it's in bullish. 4 hour time frame bullish. Right now we only look for the trades to the long side, but the medium time frame, sorry, the smaller time frame must need to connect with the medium time frame and the higher time frame, okay? Hope you guys get it what I'm saying. It's not complicated, it's very easy, okay? Going with the flow, that's it, okay? Just add that in your mind. So the 4 hour time frame, when it's break this MSS, the market structure shift, we know that it must need to come to the retest, okay? It must need to take the retracements or anything, okay? Mostly we use the fib retracements, demand zones, order blocks, and the polarity zone, which is like a resistance turn to what's support zone, okay? So these are the things we're using to identify the retracement. At the same time, here I'm using this fib level from the last low to last high, which is created from here, okay? Here's the last high, okay? Don't get confused. So in this zone, we can find something more, okay? Here is a 50-60% retracement in this fib zones. Here is a 30% retracement. At the same time, here we can see the demand zone. At the same time, here we can see the order block, okay? So something more we got in this moments. That's break the MSS. That's break the last lower high, which is created in this down structure, okay? In this down structure, it's created the last MSS from here. But when it's breaking this MSS, it's created something more in this rally, okay? Hope you guys get it. And how do you know that it's going to be reversed in such places? See, we must need to mark each and everything, okay? Then we need to wait for a price to come to that retracement, and when the price is reversing from there, that's our confirmation, okay? I know you are just confused, don't worry, just watch till the end, okay? So it's a fib retracement, it's a 50-60% retracement, right? Normally the prices comes here and after that it's going to turn from here, okay? So I'm removing this one because the fib retracement didn't work here. At the same time, it comes to the first demand zone, which is created from here, and after that we can see the reversal that's happened from here. So how we find out that it's going to be reversed from here, okay? How we know that it's a valuable reversal at the same time, so, okay? It's not the manipulation, it's a valuable reversal. How we find out these all the things? Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 30 minutes time frame. See this, okay? It's a MSS, okay? It's a MSS in 4 hour time frame, don't get confused. And it's a high which is created from here after breaking this MSS, okay? So in this rally, we can see the structure from here, right? It's creating high highs, high lows, high, yeah, continue from here, high highs and high lows, okay? And after that, what just happened, when it's taking the retracement from here, okay? I'm getting confused, okay? Yeah, when it's taking the retracement from here, it's break this MSS from here, okay? It break the MSS and create the low lows and low highs, and then comes to the demand zone. It may go from here to the downside, but just listen to me. It comes to the demand zone with the down structure. Right now, what just happened? The daily time frame, it's in bullish. 4 hour time frame, it's in bullish, which is like a higher time frame bullish, medium time frame bullish, but the smaller time frame, it's in bearish, okay? It's in bearish from here after break this MSS. So we must need to wait for a reversal in smaller time frame. Then we can connect every time frames is going to be aligned, okay? Not dot, is going to be aligned, okay? Anyway, and it comes to the demand zone in smaller time frame, and after that we can see when it's created the low lows and low highs, it's broke the last low high from here and it's turned to bullish from here, okay? It's a beauty of the analysis, guys, okay? It's really amazing to do the analysis if you sit alone in your home or office or anything, okay? If you got some free times, definitely do the analysis like this, okay? It's going to be more fun, more to understand the markets, okay? Anyway, So each and every time frame is going to be aligned from here. It just happened in last week, okay, not this week, last week. So this week the market is open, okay, this is the opening candle. This week opening candle, the opening candle took the rejection from here, which is pending the order blocks, okay, order blocks that's created from here. The price push from here at this demand zone, and this push is break this MSS, okay, the simple anatomy behind this movements of this price, okay. And after that, you will see it's took the reversal from here, the rejection candle that's created in weekly starting time frames, starting candle. And after that, we just marking this as a resistance, okay. If you are price action trader, you can easily find this 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, okay. And we marking as a resistance from here. When it comes to the resistance, we didn't enter from here. Our thought is like, okay, it must need to create a base before breaking the resistance, or if it's quickly breaking the resistance, it must need to create the base above the resistance, okay. That's called the sideways base or anything, okay. When it's breaking the base, then we can go for the trades, okay. Hope you guys get it, okay. If you have some experience in the markets, you can easily catch my words, what I'm saying. Yeah, it's comes to the resistance at the same times. Let me give you some brief examples, okay. Take it as an example. If it's a resistance and a price comes like this, okay, it's a first resistance, second resistance, so it's getting more stronger, right? And when it comes to the third time, okay, yeah, when it comes to the fourth time like this in a price action things, in our structure, in bullish structure, high highs and high lows continuously, and if it's breaking like this, okay, you must need to wait for some, what I can say, a base, create a base above this resistance, then you can go for the trades. At the same time, see this, if it's creating high highs and high lows continuously, and at the same time, if it's any low, okay, any low breaking, taking any liquidity from these highs, and after that, if it's breaking this resistance, then you can go for the trades immediately after breaking the resistance, okay. Hope you guys get it. So it's easy, very simple, okay. For example, if it comes to the resistance with the high highs and high lows continuously like a base in a small a box consolidation or choppy moments, it's creating a choppy moments. And if it's taking the last previous lows continuously, last 2 lows or even a 1 low, then it's breaking this resistance, then you can go for the trades immediately from here, okay. That's our concept. We're just mixing the price action with the ICT or the SMC, okay. Hope you guys get it, okay. It's not complicated, it's very easy to understand. And you will see this one, the same thing happen here, okay. When it comes to the resistance, it doesn't create any low from here, right? It's continuously creating a choppy moments, right? And high low, high highs continuously, and here is created the next high, okay. When it's create the next high, our plan is like, if it's creating a base from here, then we can go for the trades from here. But what happened, it's took this last low, okay. It's took this last low, which is called as a liquidity sweep, okay. The simple as that. And then it's break this range from here. At the same time, there is something more happen here, okay. It's create the small demand zone. At the same time, it's create the small, you can see here, we set the stop loss below this 50% retracements, okay. We set the stop loss at the 50% retracement of this fib level, okay. That's how we find the stop loss, and it's below this demand zone in smaller time frame, which is like a 15 minutes time frame. I'm not jumping to some deep in this analysis, okay. It's going to be a short video. Hope you guys get it right. A simple analysis. I'm not making you jerk. I'm not making you more confused at these places. I'm not putting thousands of names. You can even place your own names after you learn these other things. But when you're learning something, you must need to understand what's a concept. See this, most of the gurus are making more confused to the beginner traders or the intermediate traders, okay. They're going to put like thousands of names. See, when I started learning trading, there's someone who's calling what I can say, even box consolidation, someone is calling consolidation, someone sideways, a base, or side anything, okay. It's going to be anything, okay. Something like base, or yeah, exactly. And these are the names, okay. Flag patterns, these are the things. And I was confused. I thought that, okay, each and everything is different. But when I learned these are the things, I realized that each and everything is same, but people are putting thousands of names for this just to make complicated, and they can, I don't know. And this is it, guys, okay. And if you're joining the premium, you can access each and everything. You can learn from absolute basic to advanced level. It's going to be more fun, and you will access the live sessions with us, and we are going to trade live with you in front of you, and you can ask any doubts related, or what I can say, the analysis, whatever, okay. And you'll get the 24/7 dedicated support team each and every time. So, okay, there's a support team, support members. You can ask any doubts related your positions, related your knowledge, each and everything, okay. They're going to clear each and everything. Just to go with this website, okay. Yeah, GreenZoneOnline.in. There's a 5 plans. It's starting from the starter plan, starting with the $59 just for the 30 days. Okay, just $59. And you can go with the elite plan also, which is like a $899. You can do the payments in any payment method, USDT, PayPal, UPI, whatever, okay, the crypto, whatever. And there's each plans has a different features. You must need to read this one, okay. What you will get in this plan, what you will get in this plan, okay. Each and every plans has a different features and different validity, okay. See this, starter is just for the 30 days, okay. At the same time, select is for the lifetime plans. If you go for the elite, and if you come with the new updates in our future, you can access here in this elite plan. Okay, there is no again taking any what I can say, the subscription or whatever. Okay, if you come with any plans, if you're starting our own firms, you will get that from this elite plan. Okay, hope you guys get it. That's it. Have a great day. Do the better trades. Okay, don't go for the scalp trade. Don't go for something like, okay, 1 or 2 minutes gambles or something. Do the research, do the perfect analysis. If you know something, practice that. Okay, I'm not forcing anyone to take our mentorship, take our classes, courses, anything. If you're serious about the trading, if you want to build a career in trading, if you want to build a wealth in trading, if you want to connect with the real traders, then it's for you. The green zone, it's for you. The prime is for you. Hope you guys get it. Let's see you next trade. And if you want to connect, if you have any queries or doubts, just message to the support team or connect with the support team. They can arrange the call, or they can clear your each and everything in WhatsApp messages. Then you can take any subscription. Let's see. Take care.